gonna make my squishy, squeezy glow masks.
Squishy, squeezy glow masks? Try saying that 3 times fast.
Squishy, squeezy glow masks. Squishy, squeeby go max. Squishy, gleezy ghost wax. Phew! Did I get it?
Almost.
Well, I don't care how you say it, as long as it works.
Okay, let's get squishin'. For my squishy, squeezy glow masks, we need avocado, lemon, and honey.
Let's give it a go. What do we do first, Kiki?
The first thing we do is scoop out the avocado with a spoon. Scoop, and in with a swoop. Scooping out avocado, scooping out avocado. Now, here comes the fun part. You use your hands to mush and mash the avocado. Then we squeeze in a dash of lemon, and then a drop of honey. Then, mush and mash again. So, we mush and mash and mix in a dash of lemon and a drop of honey. Lemon and a drop of honey.
Mush and mash with us.
Mush and mash and mix in a dash of lemon and a drop of honey. Lemon and a drop of honey. Mush and mash and mix in a dash of lemon and a drop of honey. Lemon and a drop of honey. Mush and mash and mix in a dash of lemon and a drop of honey. Lemon and a drop of honey. There. Now it's ready.
Whoa, this sure is messy. Not bad.
Hey, Pandy. Do you like my mustache?
I hope this works.
Only one way to find out. Pat and pat, just like that.
Pat and pat, just like that.
Wonder how it's gonna be. Now we gotta wait and see.
You look silly, Gabby.
You look pretty silly yourself.
Now we leave it on for 5 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Let's see the results.
You're next, Meerkat.
I'm nervous. What if it didn't work?
Then we'll keep looking until we find something that does work.
Okay, here it goes. Did it work? It did? The face mask worked. Oh, Shimmering Sea Scales! You did it, Kiki!